Welcome to how to cut video in iMovie. So in this video, we are going to show you how to cut video in iMovie. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do, you need to basically download and install this app from App Store, which is iMovie, and it's only available for iPhone. So just open it up. And here is my project. Here I will just simply open it up. Now I will tap on edit, and now let's suppose that if I wanted to remove like this part and this part, so I will basically move the video here. Then I will select video. Then here you can see we have this option, tap on split, and now I wanted to remove this part from like this to this. Again select video, tap on split. Now I wanted to remove this part here. I will just tap on this, then I will tap on delete. So now I have successfully removed that part and I have successfully cut the video in iMovie. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.